Hey everybody, Julie the Whippy Chicken. I am back with the 2023 Daily Red Heart Free Pattern Series. I'm doing this in February, obviously, because it's February, the month of Valentine's Day, so why not go with Red Heart, right? So day 26 is all Ogo patterns, and you can see I've actually got 3 of them here. Now, many of the patterns that we've looked at in this series feature the Ogo yarn series, but these ones did too, so I just wanted to go ahead and feature these as well because they're just so pretty. This is the free Go Panels Go Crochet blanket using Red Heart Super Saver Ogo yarn. And let's open it up and take a closer look. All right, I really like the look of this. I really like the strips and how they're put together with the tassels at the end. They're just so pretty, and I love these colors as well. So it says, bring warmth to your world with this easy crochet blanket from Red Heart Super Saver Ogo. Now, if you look closely at this one, you'll notice that there are no tassels at the bottom of this one. Not everybody is a fan of tassels, so it's kind of nice. You can do it either way. I personally like the tassels, though. Interesting as it is to see it in the Ogo, I almost think I might prefer it if I could plan my colors better. And I know you can't really do that with the Ogo. That's just a personal opinion, though, and this is Ogo's day, so I'm not going to yuck their yum. Let me know what you think, though. Do you like a pattern where it plans your colors for you, or do you like to have a little more control? I'm curious if I'm alone in that. All right, let's take a look at our next pattern. I believe it actually uses the same colors, which is nice. I believe this color is peacock. So this free cuddly knit blanket. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. Did I say knit? I think I did. Oh my goodness. Don't hurt me. This is a knit baby blanket. For you knitters out there, I know there's a lot of us out there who are bi-stitchural. We do knit and crochet, so I couldn't help but add one knit blanket in here. So if you are a beginning knitter, this might be a perfect pattern for you. I believe this works in a corner to corner, and that's actually very easy in knit. It's not hard at all. This is a really super soft looking blanket, and I like how those stripes work out. It's really cute. This is also the Red Heart Super Saver Ogo yarn in peacock, and I just like this. I like how these stripes are very uniform. But that's just me. Like I said, some people, like it a little bit more crazy and wild and spontaneous. I like it a little more controlled. All right. All right, crocheters, I'm coming back to you. Let's take a look at the crochet kaleidoscope throw. This is, of course, another Ogo pattern because we are looking at all Ogos today. I have to say, I think the kaleidoscope throw is absolutely the most perfect name for this blanket because if you've ever looked through a kaleidoscope, this is pretty much what you see. All of these colors coming together to form these really wild geometric shapes. So I'm really loving the colors in this blanket. I love how it looks together and I love the white border all the way around it. Of course, you could use any color really for a border on this and it would look very, very stunning. Black or gray would look absolutely gorgeous with this as well, in my opinion. Okay, so that is going to do it for day 26 of the Daily Red Heart Pattern Series. And I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I'm enjoying putting it together for you. If you've watched all of this series, please let me know in the comments below which was your favorite day. I'd love to hear from you, so let me know. And I will see you tomorrow for day 27. Thanks so much. Have a good day.